fights. This is the engine block, the cylinder head, this crank. That engine block houses most of the components. This engine block has these crank cases, this oil filter, this pulley, this water pump down here, and there are cylinders down here, pistons. This is a piston. It has this connecting rod and it has this piston. It moves up and down in the cylinders when to the combustion process. This engine has a timing belt which synchronizes this pulley to these camshafts. Over to the cylinder head, we have these valves, we have these valve outlets, and we have these camshafts. These camshafts, when they are placed in the valve, they are connected to a distributor, which makes them move from a signal from here when they are connected to these crankshafts. When they move, they open these outlet valves, and these are camshafts which is meant to be here, but also open the inlet valves, allowing exhaust to get out and intake of air inside this combustion process. We also have this crankcase, which is connected to this cylinder overhead. Put the cylinder overhead on top of the cylinder head, and then after you put the crankcase here. This is the throttle, which is connected to this engine block, and when you press the accelerator pedal, it's connected to this. When you press the accelerator pedal, it shall know that you want to move faster. So it shall send that signal to the engine through these injectors, and when it sends the signal to the engine will use more fuel. So it can move faster and faster. We have these spark plugs. Here. They are connected here, just here. That's why the spark plugs are connected. They have an ignition which causes the fuel to burn. That's why we have the spark plugs. Then we have